Here goes the rava. Oh hi! Well, Diwali is round the corner and I'm gearing up for a challenge from my friend to make our favorite Besan Rava Laddu, that too with a twist, within a budget of 200 rupees. Well, challenge accepted. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. On today's episode of Budget Binge, let's get started with melt in the mouth Besan Rava Laddu. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of ghee first. So the total quantity of ghee that I'm going to use in this recipe is 1 cup. But the trick is not to add all of it at once. Once the ghee has slightly warmed up, I'm going to add in 1 cup of besan or gram flour. Give it a good mix. Try and break all the lumps. While festivals are known to come with huge expenditures, they surely don't have to. Rather than buying sweets from outside, you start using ingredients in your pantry. Trust me, it's going to be a sweeter deal. So this besan has been roasting for 2 minutes and now into this I'm going to add in 1 cup of rava. Make sure you buy barik rava or fine rava. If you don't have that, just grind the thick rava slightly in the blender. Give this a good stir and now into this I'm going to add in 2 more tablespoons of ghee. Keep stirring and mix it well. Roast this for another 2 minutes and then we'll add the remaining quantity of ghee. So the roasting process of making the laddus is extremely important as it determines the shelf life of the laddus. You can make these and store them for at least 3 weeks in an airtight container. But trust me, they're going to turn out so wonderful that there are going to be no leftovers. Another 2 minutes are up and into this I'm going to add in the remaining quantity of ghee and then keep roasting it till it changes color. While roasting, please remember that you're cooking it on low heat. The rava and the besan has beautifully roasted. It's become nice and frothy and it's also changed color. Time to turn off the flame and remove it in a thali or a bowl to cool it down. Into this, now I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of almond flakes, 2 tablespoons of pistachio flakes. Give this a mix and let it cool down for about 3 to 4 minutes. At the end of the episode, I have a question for you and the best answer will get a shout out. So stay tuned till the end of the episode. This has cooled down quite a bit. And when I stir it, the mixtures become nice and firm. And now into this, I'm going to add in the last ingredient, which is sugar. So I have 1 cup of powdered sugar here. Add it in and give this a mix. Just mix it with the spatula slightly and then eventually you'll have to mix this with your hands to break any kind of lumps. Perfect mix for the laddus, and now I'm going to shape them. Roll it into round balls and place them in a paper cup. Just in case, if this mixture tends to dry out too much, then you can always add 1 tablespoon of warm milk into this. The only thing is when you add milk, the shelf life reduces. And here goes my pistachio flake for garnish. I've taken a planned quantity to make 14 to 15 laddus. Planning your quantities in advance ensures no leftovers and hence smart cooking. And now, time to plate. Here are your drool-worthy Rava Laddus within the budget of Rs 200. Treat yourself or gift it to your loved ones. I'm going to relish them with my friend. You too have a great time and wishing all of you all a very happy Diwali. Cook smart and cook delicious. For me, Besan Rava Ladoos has many fond memories. My friend and I used to gulp down laddus one after the other without even caring about the calories. With which sweets do you have fond memories with your friends or loved ones and why? I'm very excited to know. So please let me know in the comment section below.